Hey, good morning, Harshit.
Morning, sir.
Okay, good morning, Nitesh.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, today our topic is population is boon ya ban. Okay, first questions I am asking from Harshit. Harshit, what is population?
Population, defining population is that number of people residing in a particular area,
Okay.
which is population. we can
Okay,
say.
number of people reside inside the area, that is called population. Okay, so whenever I am asking questions from
Policy
okay,
and lack of awareness among peoples,
okay,
and lack of education,
education,
and lack of
contraceptive,
contraceptive
Okay.
and health facilities also. Right now we have increased our health capacity, but in earlier time it was not it is like right now.
Yeah.
So we can also add health facilities.
Okay. Ritesh and Arshit, if you
Sir.
want to any questions, most welcome.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. So everyone says, overpopulation brings unemployment.
Okay, okay.
What could be the right reason to tackle unemployment in that?
Okay, how to tackle unemployment?
Yes.
Okay, first thing we should increase business like MSME and startups, and we should increase in manufacturing sector. Whenever I am talking about service sectors each contribute, I think 40% या 30% in economy, but we are talking about manufacturing sector is very low. Okay, they are not contributing as much as requirement. Okay, and one more is, whenever we will not increase manufacturing sector, so our economy will be not increase because of manufacturing sector. So first thing, we should work for manufacturing sector. We should increase number of manufacturing units, number of manufacturing companies and startups and MSME sectors. Then we will overtake population and overtake unemployment. This is the reason. Okay, next question.
And sir, we also face the problem like unskilled workers in our population.
Okay, unskilled worker. Okay, I know India is a agricultural economy, like agriculture sectors, primary sector we should say.
Yes.
Okay, so I think 51% people of India, they are working in primary sector like agricultural sector. So they are unskilled person. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we should take from agriculture sector to secondary sector and tertiary sector. So first thing, we should provide education and we should provide skill like ITI and lots of computer knowledge, है ना? Then we should increase the skill in India. So right now government are running so many schemes for increase skills persons, and and so many people got benefit from government schemes. Okay,
Right.
Nitesh?
Sir.
Yeah. Ask any questions. Yeah, you ask. Yeah. Crime, traffic, and poverty.
Crime.
Yeah.
And including one more question, sir, from you.
Yeah.
Overpopulation is also leads to increase in crime rates.
Crime rates.
So what could be the best way or right way to tackle this issue?
Okay. Whenever I'm talking about force like army force या constable force, है ना? Because they are lack of. I am talking about ratio. In India, how many people? 145 crores. 145 crores. Okay. But I am talking about ratio. So there least police force. They should not tackle because of population. So crime rates increase because of population. Okay. Whenever any crime happens in inside the city and outside the city, but immediately police can't come to on time, okay, could not come to on time because of lack of police force, lack of skills, lack of advanced technology, and that's why crime rates increase in India. Okay, and next questions I am asking Harshit, what is reason behind poverty of India?
Okay. Like many issues, unskilled labor, unemployment, poverty is one of the that issues that also should be taken into consideration.
Yeah.
And most immediate reason behind it, unemployment.
Unemployment.
And unskilled workers.
Unskilled
that
worker.
also contribute to poverty, and overpopulation leads to less job, more क्या कहेंगे उसको, ज़्यादा लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड रह जाते हैं. सो एंड दिस
Lack of job. Okay. देखो इधर कैसे आया.